I'm Grace from Green-Eyed Grace, and today we're going to be making flubber.
For this recipe, you will need 1 cup warm water, 1 cup clear glue, 1/2 teaspoon borax, and 1 teaspoon of glitter.
So now I'm going to add in the borax and the warm water, but first I need to tell you that there is one danger of borax, and it's kind of bad for your lungs, so you can't breathe it in, so you might want to do it with a grown-up.
So Gracie, generally how long does it take for you to dissolve the borax?
Well, you need to do it until most of it dissolves because usually not all of it dissolves really fast, so it'll take around a minute.
Okay.
So now, in a separate bowl from the borax and warm water, you need to put 1 cup of glue. So now I'm gonna add my 1 teaspoon of glitter into the slime. Well, the glue.
Oh, it's so pretty.
So now I'm gonna add my activator in, but it is important to know you can only add little bits at a time. So I've actually found that the more activator that you use, the less sticky it'll be and the more flubber-like it is. This is how much should be left of yours, maybe a little bit more. I'm gonna add a tiny bit more to mine, so you just might have less than this. Pause the video here so you can write down the recipe and make it yourself.
Okay.
It's a very weird consistency, and it's so weird.
Do it again. Oh my gosh, that just broke.
Making flubber pancakes. Flip, flip, flip. Thanks for watching.